Okay, limit number 1, x minus 2 x squared plus 5x plus 6 over x cubed minus 4x. Yeah, we're gonna use L'Hospital. Yeah, we differentiate this equation. Okay, this is 1. Yeah, 2 times 1, 2, 2x plus differentiate from 5x, 5, differentiate from 6, 0, over differential from x cubed, 3 times 1, 3x, minus 1, 2, differential from 4x, minus 4. Okay, limit x minus 2. Yeah. Okay, minus 2 substitutes to this x, 2 times minus 2 plus 5 over 3 times minus 2 square minus 4 equal minus 4 plus 5 over 3 times minus 2 square, 4 minus 4 equal 1 over, this is 12 minus 4, 8, 1 over 8. Okay, how about we're gonna try another way. Yeah, okay, x squared plus 5x plus 6 over x cubed minus 4x. Okay, we know this this is, we're gonna factorize this equation.